This SCITOO 8-piece brake pad kit is tailored to fit specific full-size Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury sedans, making it a convenient option for owners of these older models. The combination of semi-metallic front pads and ceramic rear pads offers a thoughtful balance of strong initial bite up front with cleaner, quieter braking at the rear. A heat treatment process on the friction material helps the pads bed in more quickly and promotes more stable performance over an extended service life. Integrated shims between the caliper pistons and backing plates help damp vibration, so brake application tends to be smooth and noticeably quieter than many budget pads. The pads are designed as direct replacements for the original equipment, so installation is straightforward with no custom modifications or extra hardware needed in most cases. Including a full set of 8 pads for both axles in one package makes it easy to refresh the entire brake system at once for consistent pedal feel and braking response.